The race is 5 o'clock and Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He is riding down the street and comes to a stoplight. A refinery pulls up next to him. The driver wearing tan sunglasses. He looks over at Alan. Alan looks at him. It's realized that the driver is Tom Cruise. Tom sneers at Alan. He says, when the light turns green, let's race. Alan says, alright, you run. Tom says, I gonna smoke you sucker. Alan says, you wish I gonna beat you and your sorry car. Alan and Tom wait aside. The driver their engines scenery. The light turned green. Alan and Tom take off. They zoom down beneath a stop speed. Tom is winning. But suddenly, blue and red light appear behind Tom. It's the police. They pull him over. Alan zoomed past Tom, laughing. He yelled, better look next time. Alan is the winner.